In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Hubstaff ID in just 5 minutes. We'll go through a series of straightforward steps, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate this important piece of information. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. In the search bar, simply type Hubstaff, or if you already have it bookmarked, you can go directly to the site. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in, if you're not already. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard page. This is usually the home area for your Hubstaff account, where all critical information is displayed, including time tracking, task management, and other administrative tools you may be using. Now, this is where it gets a bit technical, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple. Take a close look at the URL in your web browser's address bar. This is where the real magic happens, and it's key to finding your organization ID. You'll notice the URL is structured in a way that includes several segments separated by slashes. We're interested specifically in the section right after dashboard and before team. Carefully, copy the number that appears between these two segments in the URL. This number represents your unique Hubstaff organization ID. It might not be something that you need every day, but it's certainly important for specific administrative tasks or when you're seeking support from Hubstaff. Keep it somewhere safe, or make a note of it in a secure documents folder on your computer for future reference. And that's it! You've found your Hubstaff ID. As you can see, it's quite simple once you know where to look. Having this ID on hand is crucial, especially when dealing with certain workflows that require precise identification of your Hubstaff setup. And remember, because the Hubstaff platform facilitates a wide range of project management and time tracking applications, knowing how to access specific identifiers like your organization ID can streamline your use of the system and make overall navigation much smoother. Thank you for watching, and now that you know how to locate your Hubstaff ID, you can confidently manage your Hubstaff account with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and detailed guides on managing your Hubstaff activities and business productivity tools. See you in the next video.